This patient has had 2 successive episodes of acute diarrhea. Indeed, acute gastroenteritis may be the result of a viral or bacterial infection. An intestinal guide will show the mechanism of acute infectious diarrhea. Under normal conditions, the intestinal mucosa selectively absorbs the nutrients produced by the digestion of food, as well as water and electrolytes. It defends the body against foreign components and acts as a mechanical barrier. It produces mucus, which acts as a chemical barrier and harbors intestinal flora, a microbiological barrier. The proliferation of viruses leads to a disruption of the mucosal barrier. Viruses destroy the mucus and the microvilli barrier and disrupt the tight junctions. Infected epithelial cells die faster than normal cells. The resulting lesions cause a transient imbalance between input and output due to an increased intestinal permeability. The proliferation of bacteria also disrupts the mucosal barrier. Bacteria are usually associated with less important damage than viruses. But they still cause a dramatic mucus disruption. This increased water and electrolytes loss produces soft or liquid stools. This physiopathology, identical in both viral and bacterial diarrhea, led to the development of a unique medication which adsorbs pathogens and reinforces the mucosal barrier in order to protect intestinal cells. Smecta is a therapeutic clay of natural origin with a unique layered leaf-like structure. This structure helps the adsorption of pathogens, such as toxins, viruses, and bacteria. Smecta traps both bacteria and toxins in its layers. Smecta traps viruses as well. Smecta is not absorbed and promotes the elimination of pathogens with the stools. In addition, Smecta coats and protects the intestinal mucosa and forms a physical barrier allowing the enterocytes to regenerate. Moreover, Smecta opposes the hypersecretion of water and electrolytes. As intestinal cells regenerate, mucus can reform and fulfill its role of natural protector of the intestine. The patient now treated, our intestinal guide must leave for another exploration.